All right, so I have this wall behind me that I want to redo eventually because I really like the idea of a picture wall, but I don't like how when I set it up, it was like not a planned thing. So I did not purchase matching picture frames like I would have wanted to. So my goal is to get matching picture frames to completely redo the wall behind me. But on the ground, we have a lot of picture albums, books, and things like that. And so I wanted to try to find a solution that would allow for the area to contain everything until I'm able to complete my picture wall, but also add seating because with the holidays, you can never really have too much seating. So I was able to find these storage ottomans on Target. I did just look to see if they still had some on sale, but they are completely sold out. And so if I am able to find some that are comparable, I'll link them below. As of the time about 2 hours ago when I looked, I did not find anything, but I will keep trying to see if I am able to come up with something comparable, even if it's not from Target. And so basically right now I am just gonna go through and try to organize this area, move things around, and I'm gonna put together the second ottoman. I've already put together one that I'm leaning on right now. My little baby niece was over. She's like 4, and she helped me put the first one together, and she was actually a very big help. I was kind of shocked at how focused she was when it came to putting the furniture together. And I was like, I'm gonna need her to come help me because I feel like this is like one of the better pieces of furniture that I put together. And this was super simple, but she was very effective and helpful. But we're just gonna put this second ottoman together. It's extremely simple. I actually wish that I had bought a few more for different places around the house, but this will do for now. And so I wanted to put the ottoman together on camera so that you guys could see exactly how easy it is to assemble. It's really just a few steps. Mainly, you are going to just remove all of the contents from the box and then follow the instructions. The nice thing about this set is that it seems to be very sturdy. My niece, once we put together the first one, bounced around on it, laid down on it, rolled over it. She had a grand old time. So as you can see, it's really simple to assemble. You just attach the legs until they are secure and steady. And then you are going to add your little washers to each of the open holes where the screws will go. I went ahead and applied them to each hole that you'll put in the screw. And then I dropped in my little screw, and I used the little wrench that they provide to just go along and tighten each screw. I am making sure that they are extremely tight, but not too tight as to strip anything, just in case I ever have to take these down. But they do assemble very well, and like I said, they're very sturdy, and that's pretty much it. So then I commenced to moving everything out of the way. I just wanted to get everything off of the wall so that I could vacuum and start to set things in to where I thought that I would like them. And then I was able to just play around with placement. And then I thought I'd just insert a little clip of me doing the wiggle, the dance, whatever this was. And then I went ahead and kept going with moving the stuff off of the table, looking through some of our old photo albums, And make sure you like the video if your family still does physical photo albums. I know right now a lot of my pictures are on my phone, which in 2024 I do want to get out of that habit because I would like to actually have physical pictures around the house. And then I just continue to move stuff using the storage in the ottomans to relocate these pictures until I am able to get the frames situation sorted out. And the great thing is they actually have plenty of room because once I am able to remove the pictures, then I will actually be using these ottomans to store our guest blankets and throws. So this is what the area looked like before, and this is what the space looks like after. I think that it made a huge difference using these ottomans, and the camera angle makes it look as though the ottoman is sticking past the side of the wall on the right side, but it is not. I promise it is not even flush with the corner of the wall, but I love how this area is turning out. Eventually, I will be removing the gray cube storage and replacing it with something different. But for now, this will work, and I really love how it came out. Make sure you guys leave me a comment down below and let me know if you like the change. And if you guys know of any good picture frames that are sold in bulk, please let me know. Thanks for joining me for another video this week. Make sure you stay tuned, tag along, hit the like button, go ahead and follow. Make sure you hit the bell for notifications so that you're notified when I post. Wherever you are and whatever you're doing, I hope you're having a great day and always keep creating. All right, toodles.